Hi, I'm Christina from Travels with Ted, and today I'll teach you how to use a portable RV dump tank. These tanks allow you to empty your gray and black tanks without having to move your entire RV. We usually use this portable waste tank when we are camping at state parks or other campgrounds that don't have full hookups but do have a dump station. To start, hook up the sewer hose that came with the portable tank to the RV's sewer outlet and to the connection on the top of the portable tank. Also, remove the cap from the rinse connection to allow the tank to vent while filling. Then, open the gray or black tank valve on the RV so the contents of the RV holding tank empty into the portable tank. Of course, you must be careful not to overfill the portable tank. Our Camco Rhino tank is 28 gallons and each of our RV holding tanks is 35 gallons, so it is very plausible that we could overflow this portable tank and make a mess. To prevent this issue, we make sure our holding tanks are not more than half full when we dump. We don't trust our RV sensors to tell us when the tanks are half full because they are almost never accurate. Instead, we pay attention to how much water we use and how much water we flush down the toilet. If you are filling your portable tank and think it may overflow, err on the side of caution and close the valve on the RV. We usually empty the black tank first, then empty the portable tank, then repeat the process for the gray tank. Once the portable tank is full, you disconnect the sewer hose and put both caps back on the portable tank. Then attach the tow bar to the portable tank. You can use the tow bar to attach the portable tank to your hitch, or you can hand tow the portable tank. If you are towing the tank with a vehicle, do not drive more than 5 miles per hour and avoid bumps and potholes. When you arrive at the dump station, connect the sewer hose to the gate valve on the portable tank and into the dump station. Remove the rinse connection cap to vent the tank again. Once the sewer hose is secure and the tank is vented, you can open the gate valve on the portable tank and allow it to empty into the dump station. In this video, we were just emptying some gray water, but when we empty the black tank, we also clean the portable tank while we're at the dump station. To clean, simply attach a hose to the rinse connection on the portable tank and run water through the tank with the gate valve open. Then close the gate valve, remove the sewer hose, put all the lids back on, and tow the tank back to your RV. Happy camping!